Big Bird here, and today I'm gonna try out for the basketball team. Now, I'm gonna score on the court and be a basketball pro.
In fact, there's a table right over there.
Hello, welcome. Do you
And
guys want a drink, or can I offer you a lovely rosé?
Bottle service girls. Girl it. Just clean up the slate.
Correct.
No experience. I knew it was going to be a
wow, I'm getting
Oh my God.
good at this game. I'm getting good at this game. Oh, Bert! Bert! Bert!
But for me, I'm
Oh, Bert!
kids, and we snuck
Hello, Mr. Snuffy. How you doing? Doing good. Hey, you got a basketball jersey you got on? Yes, it is. Wow, you're a basketball varsity. Yes, and today I'm gonna try out for the team. Good for you, Bert. Good for you, Bert.
I was surprised to find out that she doesn't have any help at home. I mean, absolutely no help at all. Like, what does Andy do? Just go over junk material?
Hello, Big Bird. I'm Grover, and I'm gonna be your coach
Kind of hard for her because he has
for the basketball team.
He chooses
Wow, Grover, you're gonna be a coach in my basketball. Yes.
After dropping Andy
Okay.
while he sleeps,
We're gonna
Andy lays
do some shooting. You ready? Ready.
your help.
Okay.
Try to make everybody eat a green shake a day because it's better than
Good.
me. But if it's not,
Good. Good.
I don't know about that.
after a busy morning of working Shauna's day job as an egg donor consultant.
I want you to know that the list of questions
I missed.
word and very clear.
It's okay. You keep going.
Surprising Lena with an afternoon bike ride.
Oh, I missed again.
I've only had one major wreck.
Oh, missed again. It gets hard where? Well, if you try, you will get good in this game, Big Bird. Okay, Grover. Okay, Grover. There we go.
Nervous on the bike at all. She's got adventure in her soul that needs to be explored.
Okay.
I thought this was like
Okay, Bill. You me. Okay, thank you, Grover. You. Okay. Okay.
That's what we're going to show you. To be a surprise. I'm still acting, but the other half of my life is flying helicopters, and I want to teach flying. It's just a lot.
I missed.
I had no idea we were going to go on such an adventure today, but it's a risky endeavor. Lorenzo has 3 girls and a beautiful wife, so let's err on the side of safety.
Here you go,
The
Bert.
girls up from school, and while Andy works out,
Here we go, babe. Here we go.
I did what I could.
Ow, I missed.
I just tried to
Well, if
throw it
you
all
keep
together.
practicing, you get good.
Like a lasagna that I
Hey, Grover. Thank you, Grover.
green shake
You're welcome.
dressing.
You're welcome, Bert. Practice makes perfect.
after putting together a more traditional menu of
Yeah, I got it. 2 points.
Andy's girlfriend,
Good for you, Bert.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Jen. I'm the girlfriend. Hey, how's the wife?
Let's see if you made the team.
Yeah. We're going out
Oh.
It's lasagna for yourself.
Did I make the team, Grover? Did I make the team?
To dinner.
Well,
Sometimes that stuff with Andy.
you made the team.
Things without telling me.
Oh, God.
I didn't know you.
I'm gonna be on the team. I'm gonna be on the team.
I can't tell you. You just don't.
I'm gonna be on the team.
I remember. I totally remember.
Let's
Yeah. What do you call it?
that's a little bland.
So,
This isn't right.
who will we call?
Something weird on it.
I wanted to
Hey, Big Bird.
favorite green.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Bert.
Made into a marinade.
Hello, Bert. Hey, Ernie. So, Big Bird, you made the cookie. Yes.
I think she.
Good. We may have a hoop star in the making.
Big brass out of any.
Not Larry Bird, but Big Bird, the basketball star. I'm proud of you, Bird. Bert. Oh, I love you, Snuffy.
Shauna react to it.
Wow, you're the best. Oh, you're the best, Bert.